I have taken a paper strip. You can take the color you want. Now cut the frills as shown on the screen. And remember to cut the frills at one point. Now paste the strip with 2 or 3 more strips like that. Now glue the point where you didn't cut the strips and roll it like this to make a flower. And I made the flower. Now take a bangle, any bangle which is easily cuttable, and cut at one point. Now cut the ring. Now for making the ring, cut the bangle as per the size of your finger. I have cut as per the size of my finger. Now you can easily tighten it and loose it. Now add some glue on the bottom of the flower to glue the ring on it. For keeping the ring stable, I have taken a small piece of paper and I am now gluing it for making the ring stable. Now the ring is completed. Can you see how easy it is to tight and loose this ring, and to make this ring is very simple. I have made a red ring also. I have also made a yellow ring, a pink ring, a purple ring, and a blue ring. You can make more rings as you wish. Now take any empty box of soap or emo. For seeing the video how to make the cutter that I am using at home only, check the link in the description box. Make a lid-like structure as you can see. It will be like this after cutting. Now I have covered the box with a yellow colored sheet. You can cover the box as per the color you want. Now I have taken a cloud shaped sticker written Happy Mother's Day made by me. If you want the video of how to make stickers at home too, check out the link in the description. Now keep the rings in the box. I'm sure your mother will be loving this gift. Now I made one more sticker which has been written like, you are a wonderful mom and an awesome friend. Now the box is ready and the gift is also ready. You can gift it to your mom. See the final result. Thank you.